mean, it's... Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is the Bird Boy, and today I am bringing you an episode, oh my god, of Pixelmon. Alright, so let's, kill this dude. Oh, sorry, dudette. That's a girl right there. Mega Drain! So my goal for today is look for bosses, look for shinies, legendaries, and level up my Pokemon. My Pokemon. Sorry. Let's get our life kid some levels. I mean, jeesh. Come here, Magikarp. No, I don't want you, Magikarp. You don't give me levels. Okay, that would have been bad if I would have jumped right in there. Right in there. Hold on, let me see something. I knew it. I knew it. There we go. Running nice and smooth again. Okay. Oh, there's some goldies. Look. Look. 26. That's, Thunder Punch it. What? You are confused, so you hit yourself? That doesn't make any sense. I'm confused. Magikarp. Carp. And as you can see in my inventory, I just made some dust balls and great balls. So it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, I need to catch me one of these. No, I don't. I don't want that. Even though it did give me a Master Ball. Which I'm still kind of shocked about. But, I mean, it was weird. It was weird. It was all good. But, I mean, a freaking Master Ball. Look at that right there. That's a Master Ball. Is this where... Oh, my God. This is my house. Level 15. No way. Come on. Kill him! There we go. Thunder Punch. Uh-oh. Get our Growlithe out there. Yay, he didn't die. Good. Okay, now Miltank. Miltank, roll out! Pretty nice. Now, body slam him. Yeah, good. Oh yeah, and I also want to catch a Ghastly. Ghastlies are good. What is that? Rise up, Pidgey. Also, I'm looking for Lucky Blocks, which I do have that mod on. Come on, what you want? What you want? You don't want to mess with me. What's in here? Nothing. Poop. Thought it was something cool, but no, it wasn't. It was nothing. Big, fat nothing. Oh, whoa. Okay, there's zombies around here. Is there zombies in here? No. Oh well. Kangaskhan! I swear to God, if we find a Pikachu, I'm gonna flip out. Oh, I thought that was a Pikachu, but that's a big Abra. Wait, what are you doing? Quit spinning around in circles. Frickin' weirdos. There's an Arbok. That's a big Miltank. This thing is bigger than me. Look at that. Look at that. He's a head taller than me. That is Poopadelic Rex. Yep. Poopadelic Rex. Now, that was a tiny thing. Tiny jungle. Or not jungle forest. My bad. My bad. Alright, so let's go in here into Hades biome. And let me actually get some of the sugar cane. The sugar cane, the sugar cane, the sugar cane. Sugar cane is great. Now, what are you? Ooh, level 35. Alright, so do that. Send out Miltank. Ouch. Don't kill my Growlithe, please. Oh, good. Then Torterra. Mega Drain. Oh, that didn't do much. Razor Leaf. Yes, very nice, very nice. Electro Ball. The faster the user is, no. Flame Wheel. Yeah, literally. Reversal. Don't need that. Ow. Come on, come on, come on, hurry up. Ow. Ow. Poop. Doesn't need to be a poop and hurt me. He hurt me. That hurt. Ooh, Leaf Stone. Or Shard. Leaf Stone Shard. Give me that. Boom. Oh, another one. Boom. That's a big Pidgey. Holy crap. And again. Where did it go? There you are. You don't have any eyes. Let's catch it. Let's Thunder Wave them. Now let's send out Torterra. That's... No! No, we aren't sending out our Master Ball. No. No. Excuse me. Come on. Come on, this is your home. This is your home. You want this to be your home. You need this to be your home. Hey, look, there's me! Inside my Torterra. Oh, I captured a Ghastly. Now, we still have one slot open for our party. So, I wonder who that is going to be. I'll probably just decide, or you can decide down in the comments below. Yeah. I thought I had 3 of these. Did I play? Yep, there's one. Oh, poop. Razor Leaf. Oh, my. Mega Drain. Yeah. Good job, Torterra. Woo. This. I need the boss. I need another boss. We got so lucky at that boss. It was a green boss. Well, you saw the last episode. Maybe. I don't know. But I mean, really, a green boss. Gave me a Master Ball. First boss ever. Was the luckiest boss ever. Apples, nice. How many? 4. Okay, I'll take it. Is this a shiny? Does the... Oh, I thought the eyes color changed. Sorry. Razor Leaf. Are you serious? That is poop. Yeah. Mega Drain. Mega Drain. That didn't do much. Razor Leaf. And bite him. What? It didn't end it? Okay, tackle him. There we go. We're getting there. We are getting there. Sorry, I get carried away. Oh, a scyther. 2 of them. I don't want them. Yeah, that's right. You heard me. I don't want them. I mean, we have to get another Pixelmon in our party. Thought that was a shiny Pidgey. But it wasn't, so it's poop. Poopity poopity poop. Poopity poo. Nope. 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 You, Giraffe are awesome. Because you've got a face on your tail. He or she has a face on his tail. How cool is that? Very. And if you don't say that's cool, well, that's your opinion. I mean, you can have opinions. I can have opinions. So. Yep. There's a swinub. Or not, is that a swinub? Yes, it is. Okay. There we go. Oh, green one. Nice. Boom. Boom. Oh. Ow. Ow. Goldeen. Goldeen. You're not a Goldeen. You're a Sea King. You're a Sea King. Nope. Oh, good. Good. Oh, I probably should have. You know what? Let's let our mill tank do this. Our mill tank is awesome. Like, this is why I love mill tank. Stop it. Oh, poop. Okay, let's get Torterra. Mega Drain. Mega Drain. I meant to choose Razor Leaf. Dang. Oh my god. Light screen. Nope. Curse. Yes. Nightshade. Get a little... Now what does this do? Oh. Then I'll just do this. Confuse Ray. Yeah. No. Okay. Let me go back. And yeah, I think this is going to be it for this episode. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to become part of everyone in the Everyone Army. And yeah, down below in the comments, excuse me. Tell me how I did it. And what is your favorite Pokemon move? And yeah, as always, have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.